Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can publish a game in Roblox. It's pretty simple. So you need to have to create yourself a game in Roblox using Roblox Studio. And as you guys can see, I've already created a game in my Roblox Studio. So if I want to publish it, what I need to do is first I need to click on File at the top and click on where it says Game Settings. From inside Game Settings, what I need to do is click on Basic Info and give this game a name. And this name is going to help me find my game inside Roblox. So make sure you give it a really nice name. So I'm going to give it Witchy Kevin Game. That is going to be the name. And in description as well, make sure you write nice description because this description is also going to help you find this game. So what this game is going to be about, this game is going to be about driving game. So I'm going to name it this in description. And what I'm going to do is click on save. Once I click on save, this game is going to be saved on Roblox server. Once the first step is done, what you need to do is click on File again, click on where it says Game Setting again. From inside Game Setting, go inside Permissions. From inside Permissions, make sure it's public because if it is private, nobody's going to be able to play it. So choose Public and click on Save. Now once this is done, what you need to do is click on File again and click on where it says Publish to Roblox. Once you click on it, your game will be published to Roblox. Now you can go on Roblox, search for your game and start playing it. And as you guys can see, it shows me published a new change, which means my game has just been published to Roblox. So that's how you guys can publish Roblox game. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.